Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today I'm gonna show you how to image search on Google Maps. So let's get started right away. Before starting, Google Maps does not have a direct image search function like Google Search. Instead, the focus is on finding location-based images uploaded by users and the businesses. So in order to do that, first of all, open up the Google Maps application on your mobile device, and once you're inside, type in the name, address or landmark you want to find images for in the search box at the top. Now, you will then be able to find the place appearing in the search result at the bottom. You can then go ahead and scroll through the photos that has been displayed at the bottom. This is where you can see images uploaded by users, businesses, and sometimes photos from Google's Street View. Now you should be able to see images related to any location on Google Maps. Simply search for the location and then go to the Photos section in order to find images for that particular location or business area. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorial like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.